Welcome back. Now, another integration that upviral has is email list verify, and this is going to help you to verify that you have real email addresses before you begin sending them for your campaign. What you need to do first is to get an email list verify account. Once you click on the link, you'll need to click on the sign up area. Once you have an account, you can then click the API key. You are then going to create a new API. Now, for the sake of full transparency, the screen took a long time in order to clear, and this key was actually manually typed in, even though you're looking at a blurred out screen. As of this moment in the recording, the screen has cleared and it can be copied and pasted into upviral, and that is what we will do now. And now, one of the things within our campaign that we can set up is we can set up email verification that will help you to determine fraudulent leads. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.